My name's Austin, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Mytee Hot Turbo external water heater. This is one of the most popular water heaters on the market today, and it's because professionals value it for its speed, efficiency, and adaptability. We've got a hot one for you today, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we've got the heater here with me. First glance, you'll notice that it's nice and compact. We have a handle actually built right into the top of that polyethylene housing, so you can just grab it and go real quick and easy. Across the top, you notice I got these 4 water resistant switches. Each one controls a 600 watt heating element, giving me a whopping grand total of 2400 watts of heat. Now, having each coil set to a separate switch is really handy because I can get maximum control. I can select the hottest water possible without tripping any circuits. Now, the Mytee Hot is also built to outlast your standard external water heater that usually rely on immersion coils for heat. This is a no-contact heating system, meaning the coils are not susceptible to water buildup, meaning that they are more efficient and giving you a longer life cycle. Now, top all of that off with these high-quality brass connections and a built-in lighted power cord, and you've got yourself one top-notch heater. Now that we're a little more familiar with it, let's go ahead and take a look at how to get it set up. Alright guys, so to get set up, we're going to have to connect to power. But first, I want to make sure that all the switches on both my heater and my extractor are turned off. Once I connect the power cord into the wall, I'll actually see it light up once it has enough power, letting me know that we are good to get going here. Once we have that squared away, it's time to hook up the whole system. We're going to go ahead and connect the solution line from my extractor, run it to the male quick disconnect fitting here, and then the solution line from my cleaning tool is then going to fit into the female quick disconnect there on the face of the heater, running it all the way through. Once we have that system hooked up, next step is going to be to prime. We're going to go ahead and turn on the pump on my extractor, and using the cleaning tool, I'm going to run some solution through the whole thing, through the heater, until I have a steady stream coming out of my tool, letting me know that the whole system's been primed properly and it's not going to vapor lock on me. Once we have that, we can go ahead and start hitting all the switches along the top. Turn on my heat, give it about 5 to 10 minutes to heat up to maximum temperature, and I'm ready to get out there and get cleaning.